What are you doing, Sapling? Oh. Oh, I forgot something. Alright, it's good. Scoot around. Isa. 1. Come on. Let's go away from there. Yep. Where are you going? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Look, the bed's all messed up. Did you do that last night? I slept with Mommy. Because I was being a naughty boy. And I wouldn't sleep in my own bed. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Say hi, my name's Isa. And I'm a bed thief. And I'm cute. Where are you going now? Going on an adventure? Oh, you found the brush? Get the brush. Brush your hair. And brush your hair. You know what else you find? Diapers. Diapers. Yeah. Throw it on the floor. So what are you going to do with that diaper? Are you going to change yourself? Isa. Hey, Mr. Solemn Boy. Why so serious? You gonna brush your hair? Ouch! Or brush Mommy's hair, thank you. Okay, thank you. That's good, that's good. Thank you. Uh-oh. Close it. There's something sticking out. Look. Oh, it's out. It's in. You want to change your diaper? Say bye-bye.